We're seeing more and more Florida homeowners choose metal roofing over shingles because of the longevity and durability. A typical shingle roof will last about 15 to 20 years, whereas a metal roof will last 2 to 3 times longer. It's not just about durability either. Modern metal roofing come in a variety of styles, depending on your budget, style preference, and long-term goals. All our metal roofing systems can be upgraded to a thicker metal gauge, can help homeowners qualify for insurance savings, and can come in a variety of painted options. Standing seam is considered the premium option in metal roofing. The biggest difference is the fasteners are hidden below the panels instead of being exposed to the weather. That means fewer maintenance concerns over time and a cleaner appearance after install. This profile can be upgraded to a larger rib for appearance and can be upgraded to a clip system, which helps with wind uplift. If you're looking for maximum longevity and performance, this is the panel that most homeowners choose. The 5E panel is one of Florida's most recognizable metal roofing styles. It comes in a 24-inch wide panel and has a V groove running down the middle. You'll see this in coastal communities and in older Florida neighborhoods. For homeowners who like classic Florida architecture, this is a great fit. Rib metal panels are the most budget-friendly roofing system because of the exposed fasteners. It still delivers the same durability and longevity that makes metal roofing attractive. For most homeowners, it's a practical upgrade from shingles without spending the high investment in a premium metal roofing system. Stone-coated steel is a metal roof that resembles a variety of roofing systems. The steel panels are covered with a stone coating that give a resemblance of shingles, tile, shake, and slate. It's also a popular option in neighborhoods where HOAs don't allow traditional metal roofing systems. All these metal roofing types deliver the long-term benefits, which makes metal roofing so popular in Florida. The difference comes down to the appearance, budget, and the level of performance you're looking for.